So, here's our ingredients, guys, for our paksiw na pata. So, we will be using pata, of course. Ayan. So, pabilog yung cut niya, guys. Ayan. I think 4 kilos to. Kasi dadaling ko to sa Doha, guys. Papasalubong natin sa mga people in Doha. Ayan. And also, we will be using, of course, our garlic, our onions, and whole garlic. Yan, hinati ko lang siya para mamaya sa ating pagluluto. And of course, we will be using cardamom. We will be using like 3 pieces of this only because this one is very intense. Our bay leaves, vinegar, our seasoning, salt, whole peppercorn, and ground pepper. Ayan. So, yan lang yung ating ingredients, guys, for our paksiw na pata. Ayan. So, let's start, guys. So, here's our first step, guys. Maglalagay lang tayo ng 2 glass of water dito sa ating pata. And, guys, depende pa rin yan sa inyong kung gaano karami, guys, ang gagawin nyo. Then, we will be putting salt. Ayan. Para lang ma-steam ang ating pata. Ayan. After putting salt, we will close it and let it boil. So, ayan na nga siya, guys. Kumukulo na siya and hayaan lang natin siyang lutuin ng sarili niyang steam. Ayan. So, hayaan mo siyang kumulo. Let it boil for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then later, hahanguin na natin siya dyan. So, after 15 minutes, guys, patayin mo na yung apoy niya, hanguin mo siya, and we will be draining the water of this one and wash the pork. So, after washing the pork, guys, ayan, inalis mo na yung kanyang water and wash it a little. We will be sauteing. Ayan. We'll be putting some oil. And then garlic. So for this one, guys, I love to have lots of garlic because it gives flavor to our pata sa paksiw. Paksiw na pata. Ayan. And then after garlic, we will be putting the onions. Ayan. Konting ano lang, guys. Konting gisa lang. And we will be putting some salt. Some salt and some pepper. As usual. That's how I'm sauteing. I'm putting already some salt and some pepper, crushed pepper. So, this time, guys, we will be putting or we will be adding our pork or pata. Yan, lalagay mo na siya dyan sa inyong ginigisa. You can use also here pork belly, guys, if you want to, or pork liempo, if you want to use pork liempo. But, I choose to use pata kasi paksiw na pata nga siya. Ayan. So, ihalo lang natin siya ng konti, guys. My cooking pan is little small dahil marami ako niluto. So, ayan. Konting halo lang siya. Then, after that, we will be putting water. Yan. The water will be depending on how much pork you will be cooking. Ayan, so konti lang, as in konting-konti lang. Mga 2 cups of water. And then, we'll be putting the whole peppercorn. Ayan. And the cardamom. Cardamom, we will be putting only 3 pieces, guys. Kasi masyadong intense ang cardamom. But I always see Daddy Moody to put cardamom kahit sa beef. And also our bay leaves. It gives flavor to our meat. Ayan. Ayan. After bay leaves, we can put little salt again. And this time, ilagay na rin natin yung 1 cloves of garlic. Ayan, hinati ko lang siya. I cut it into half. Ayan, so 2 cloves of garlic, sorry. And hinati mo lang siya sa 2. Ayan. Lots of garlic guys, kasi ito talaga yung magbibigay ng lasa sa ating paksiw na pata. Para lang din tayo nagpapaksiw ng isda. Pagpaksiw na isda, maraming bawang din. Ayan. And then, we will be putting some vinegar. Ayan. So, again, yung vinegar, guys, it depends on how much you are cooking. I'm cooking for 4 kilos of pata. So, mga 1.5 cup of vinegar ang nilagay ko. Then later you can still add, depende sa gaano kaasim nyo gusto. Ayan. Then we will let it boil. We will cover and let it boil. So guys, pagka alam nyo hindi pa luto ang karne, pwede pa tayong magdagdag ng water. Ayan. Para lumambot ang ating pork. So, ayan na siya guys. Kumukulo na siya. And, minsan i-check nyo din siya kung malambot na or hindi. Pag hindi pa siya malambot, you can still cover it. Kasi masarap to guys, yung medyo na hihiwalay na yung taba niya sa laman. Ayan. So, ito medyo matigas-tigas pa siya eh. So, let's cover it again. So, ayan na siya guys. Actually, malambot na siya. So, pwede mo na tong hanguin and ready to serve. Pero, kung gusto mo pa ng medyo mas malambot pa, then pwede nyo pa siyang patuyuin ng konti. Kung gusto nyo ng konting sabaw na lang. Ayan. Sarap nito guys. So, here's our paksiw na pata guys. Ayan. Malambot na siya and nahihiwalay na yung kanyang balat sa kanyang laman. And I hope you can try to cook this one guys dahil napakasarap and niluto lang talaga natin siya sa suka and lots of garlic. Ayan, yun yung magbibigay lasa sa kanya talaga. Maraming bawang and paminta. Ayan. So, I hope you can try to make this guys. Hindi kayo magsisisi. And see, ayan, depende rin sa inyo kung gaano ka lambot nyo gusto. Ayan o, nahiwalay na siya sa kanyang laman. Sarap nito guys. This is so yummy. So, thank you so much guys sa pagsama nyo sa akin. Until our next vlog, until our next recipe. God bless everyone. Keep safe always. We all love you.